Hello everybody, welcome to veenaskitchen.com. I am Veena and today let's see how to make banana laddu. For this we are going to need a banana. This is called Nendran in Malayalam. Heat a pan, tablespoon of ghee or clarified butter. Once the oil becomes hot, add the bananas into it and saute well and allow the ghee to mix well with the banana so that we get a nice flavor of the ghee as well. While taking banana, make sure to take some ripe banana. We don't want raw bananas. We want nice ripe banana so that we just need less sugar to be added in it, not too much of sugar. And also make sure that when you are taking the bananas, it should be Nendran, that is the banana that you will get the long one, not the robusta or any other banana, otherwise it gets smashed off. You can see that the banana has started to become nice golden brown in color. This is the sugar in the banana or the sweet in the banana that is caramelizing. 2 tablespoons of sugar. The bananas are mashed well and nice right now. We will go ahead and add some freshly grated coconut, about 1 tablespoon of freshly grated coconut. Now the banana has mashed well. We will go ahead and add some poha in it. Poha or rice flakes. We will add a little rice flakes. About 1 tablespoon of rice flakes. Mix it well. And after mixing it well, we'll just leave it for 5 minutes in a very slow flame. So now our laddu mix is ready. We will go ahead and switch off the flame. And allow it to cool. Make nice laddus out of it. Delicious banana laddu is now ready to be served. Well friends, do try out this simple delicious laddus. I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching veenaskitchen.com. Bye bye.